Imagine waking up to a world where your doctor is an AI, your coworker is a humanoid robot, and your internet is so fast it feels instant. It sounds like science fiction, but many of these technologies already exist in research labs. Around the world, billions of dollars are being invested to make them part of everyday life. The real question is no longer if they'll change the world, but when. From artificial intelligence that can work on its own to quantum computers, living medicines, and factories built in space, 2026 is already proving to be a turning point. In this video, we'll explore 10 breakthroughs that could redefine life in the years ahead. And it all begins with the technology many believe will become the brain behind them all. Agentic AI. Technology number 1. Agentic AI systems and cognitive automation. Today's AI waits for commands. Agentic AI is different. Instead of answering one question at a time, it can plan, make decisions, and complete complex tasks with minimal human guidance. Imagine an AI that books your travel, manages your finances, coordinates with other AI systems, and solves unexpected problems while you sleep. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are racing to build more capable AI agents that can automate entire workflows, not just individual tasks. If successful, these systems could transform healthcare, engineering, education, and business. But as AI becomes more independent, one question grows louder. How do we ensure it always acts in humanity's best interest? Up next, the revolutionary computer chips designed to think more like the human brain. Technology number 2. AI-optimized neuromorphic hardware. Today's AI consumes enormous amounts of electricity because traditional chips weren't designed to work like the human brain. Neuromorphic hardware changes that. Instead of processing information continuously, these chips mimic neurons, activating only when needed. The result is faster decisions with far lower energy use. Companies like Intel and IBM are already developing neuromorphic processors that could power smarter robots, autonomous vehicles, and wearable devices without relying on massive data centers. If this technology matures, AI could become faster, cheaper, and available almost everywhere. But even brain-inspired chips may struggle with one class of problems. For that, we may need an entirely different kind of computer, one built on the strange laws of quantum physics. Technology number 3. Quantum hardware advances and applications. Quantum computers don't replace today's computers. They solve problems that would take even the fastest supercomputers an impractical amount of time. Instead of using bits that are either 0 or 1, they use quantum bits or qubits, which can represent multiple states under quantum mechanics. Companies like IBM, Google, and IonQ are pushing quantum hardware forward for drug discovery, advanced materials, financial modeling, and logistics. Although major engineering challenges remain, every breakthrough brings practical quantum computing closer. And when billions of devices need to communicate with almost no delay, the next revolution won't happen inside computers. It will happen across the networks connecting them. Technology number 4. Cloud edge convergence and 6G. Every second, billions of devices generate data, but sending everything to distant cloud servers creates delays. The future combines cloud computing with edge computing, where data is processed closer to where it is created. Add 6G, expected to deliver dramatically faster speeds, lower latency, and AI-native networking, and real-time communication becomes possible at an entirely new scale. This could enable autonomous vehicles, remote robotic surgery, smart factories, and immersive digital experiences. Companies like Nokia, Ericsson, and Samsung are already researching the technologies behind 6G. But connecting the world is only part of the story. The next breakthrough will blur the line between the physical and digital worlds themselves. Technology number 5. Industrial metaverse and spatial computing. The metaverse isn't just about virtual worlds. In industry, it's becoming a powerful engineering tool. Using spatial computing, engineers can interact with life-sized digital twins of factories, aircraft, power plants, or entire cities before anything is built. Problems can be identified, tested, and fixed in a virtual environment, saving time, materials, and money. Companies like Nvidia, Siemens, and Apple are advancing digital twins, immersive design, and mixed reality. As virtual and physical spaces merge, Industries could become faster, safer, and more efficient. But even smarter factories need one thing to keep running: a cleaner, more abundant source of energy. Technology number 6, clean energy expansion. The future won't just need more energy, it will need cleaner energy. As AI, data centers, and electric transportation grow, global electricity demand is rising rapidly. Solar, wind, advanced batteries, geothermal systems, and next-generation nuclear technologies are all expanding to meet that challenge. Researchers are also developing smarter power grids that can balance energy in real time and reduce waste. Companies like Tesla and NextEra Energy are investing heavily in energy storage and renewable infrastructure, while advances in small modular reactors could add reliable low-carbon power. But what if the next revolution doesn't come from machines at all? It may come from redesigning life itself. Technology number 7, synthetic biology. What if cells could be programmed like computers? That's the promise of synthetic biology. Scientists are learning to design biological systems that can produce medicines, grow sustainable materials, clean pollution, and even create food with fewer natural resources. Instead of simply studying life, researchers are beginning to engineer it. Companies like Ginkgo Bioworks and Moderna are helping accelerate this field through programmable biology and advanced genetic technologies. While ethical and safety questions remain, synthetic biology could transform healthcare, agriculture, and manufacturing. But even engineered biology won't build our cities or assist workers on factory floors. That job may belong to a new generation of intelligent machines. Technology number 8, humanoid and collaborative robots. Robots are no longer confined to factory cages. The next generation is being designed to work safely alongside people, lifting heavy loads, inspecting dangerous environments, and handling repetitive tasks. Humanoid robots go even further, using AI, cameras, and advanced sensors to navigate spaces built for humans. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics are racing to make these machines more capable and affordable. As costs fall and AI improves, robots could become common in hospitals, warehouses, construction sites, and even homes. But a world filled with intelligent machines creates a new challenge: protecting the data they constantly generate and exchange. Technology number 9, cyber-resilient data-centric security. As AI, cloud computing, and billions of connected devices expand, cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated. The future of security isn't just protecting networks, it's protecting the data itself. Data-centric security encrypts, authenticates, and monitors information wherever it travels, reducing the impact of breaches even if attackers get inside a system. AI is also being used to detect threats in real time and respond before serious damage occurs. Companies like CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, and Microsoft are advancing AI-powered cyber defense. And as humanity looks beyond Earth, securing data won't be our only challenge. We'll also need to build where no factory has ever operated before. Technology number 10, space-based manufacturing and energy. Factories don't have to stay on Earth. In the future, some of the most advanced materials could be manufactured in space, where microgravity makes it possible to create products that are difficult or even impossible to produce on the ground. Scientists are also exploring space-based solar power, where satellites collect sunlight continuously and transmit energy back to Earth. Organizations like NASA and companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are helping lay the foundation for this future. What sounds impossible today could become one of humanity's biggest industries tomorrow. These technologies aren't competing, they're evolving together. AI, quantum computing, robotics, biotechnology, clean energy, and space innovation are combining to shape a future unlike anything we've experienced before. The biggest question isn't whether the future is coming, it's whether we're ready for it. If you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, subscribe because every week we explore the technologies that could redefine our world. Which breakthrough surprised you the most? And what future technology should we cover next? Leave your answer in the comments. I read them all, and your idea might become our next documentary. Until then, keep looking ahead, because the future is closer than you think.